Sige pa. Okay, smile. Close your, put your feet together. What more? Ayusin mo yung hair mo, please. Ayun yun. Gosh. Yung hair mo nasa face mo. Akin na yung face shield naman tao.
Sabi mo tao.
Fix your hair. Okay. No, fix your face. Fix yan. Ayusin mo, Avery. Properly now. Yak, may pupo.
Here.
Look at mommy. Sige. Okay na yan. Perfect.
Practice ako dati, oh.
Ha?
Practice ako dati.